Guys, when last have you tried this? I am going to saute some cabbage and carrots, pumpkin, green zucchini, bell pepper, onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, rosemary, oregano, cayenne pepper, all-purpose season, and with some corned beef. This is going to be good. Here we go. Colorful. I like colorful meals. So I have my cabbage here, and my carrots, and my pumpkin, green zucchini, and yellow tomatoes. Yeah, bell pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic for sure, some rosemary, oregano, cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, and I'm gonna let this saute. Then I'm going to add my corned beef. And that's going to be dinner. Healthy, colorful meal. Yes. And the herbs coming together, and it is smelling so good in the kitchen here. Oh my. You see all the colors coming together? This is a healthy meal. Okay, this is now ready for the corned beef. So I'm going to add my corned beef now. Corned beef. Okay. I'm going to mix it into the vegetable. Going to be so delicious. When last have you eaten this corned beef with cabbage? Look at that, guys. Somebody's mouth is watering for this right now. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes. Maybe for like 5 more minutes. And it will be ready to go. Okay, this is now ready. My cabbage with corned beef. Look at that. Looking real good. And over here I have some white rice to go with this cabbage and corned beef for dinner. So this is going to be dinner with the white rice, nice shelly white rice. Okay, so here I have my rice ready. And now I'm gonna add my steamed cabbage and corned beef to my rice. Make it look attractive. Yeah. How about that? Then I have a piece of pumpkin right here. Ooh, it's my pumpkin on the side. It's broken, but going in the belly, right? Right in the stomach. So that's my meal, guys. Delicious white rice with steamed cabbage and corned beef and a piece of pumpkin on the side. This is an easy meal you can do like when you get home from work, quick and easy, and I know the family will enjoy this. But I trust that you enjoy this quick and easy meal. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't eaten this for a long time, please leave a comment. And you can go ahead and try it and enjoy. Okay. Bless up yourself, Bakimar, all the time. Have a blessed evening.